Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to this sewing channel. Everyone knows the summer is just on the corner. The summer is my favorite season and I am very excited about it. Easy sewing ideas are literally jumping out of my head. So get ready for it. And today we are going to make this lovely flip-flop case. Look this beauty. It is all waterproof, so you can keep your flip-flops inside and you don't wet your clothes. You don't need to keep your flip-flops inside the plastic bag anymore. It has a long zipper. It's easier to keep them inside. You can use this after you're going to the swimming pool or when you're going to the beach or travel. It is very handy and is a very easy project and of course beautiful. I have done the male version and this is the one we are going to sew today. If you like our idea, don't forget to give us your thumbs up and let's go sew it. For our flip-flop case, we are going to need almost no material, as you can see, but we are going to use a stripe for the handle, measuring 35 centimeters, a zipper measuring 42 centimeters, a puller, bias tape, you will need around 1.5 meters, a piece of vinyl measuring 30 centimeters per 40 centimeters. And that's all we need. Let's go start it. First of all, we are going to apply our bias tape on our zipper. So we are going to put the right side of the bias tape with the right side of the zipper. We are going to match the edge and we are going to make a suture all over the zipper. It doesn't matter if the suture is going to be on the edge or in the middle. Doesn't matter. Like this. And now we are going to do the same thing on this side. It will be like this. I just fold it. So now on the bigger part of our vinyl, you are going to apply pieces of double tape to help to fix on the zipper. My double tape has 1 centimeter. I will cut it in half. Let's apply our vinyl, the longest part, into our zipper. So the vinyl needs to be applied until this folder here. If you put it for this side, when you're going to fold, this side going to be shorter and the other part will be seen, is not good. So make sure the vinyl is coming to here. And now let's close. Make sure this part doesn't show on the back, and let's make a suture here. It's gonna stay like this. Now we are going to separate our zipper and we are going to do the same thing on this side. So we have the right side of our flip-flop case and we are going to fold it, the edges until the end, And we are going to apply our puller on this way. Make sure these edges are matching when you pull the puller. So now you are going to pull it all, and we are going to put it again and leave it on the halfway. So now our puller is on the place. We are going to fold this middle, and we are going to find the middles here and on this side as well. Now we are going to open, and we are going to match the middle on our zipper, and we are going to make a suture here. Let's trim off. So now we are going to make a square on these two corners, measuring 2.5 centimeters, and we are going to start to measure the 2.5 centimeters from the suture and from this edge. Now let's cut it. This square of 2.5 centimeters will give us a volume of 5 centimeters. The rule is, depending on the volume you want, you need to make a square of the half of a volume. If you want a volume of 10 centimeters, you will make a square of 5, because then we are going to open, and here will be 5 centimeters. Before this, we are going to apply a bias tape here to give us a good finishing. So you're going to apply the bias like this, fold it to the middle and fold it again, and make a suture. And here we are going to do the same thing, folder and folder and a suture. It will be like this. Now we are going to open here, match the edges here, put this bias to one side, and let's make a suture here and do it the same thing on this side. Now let's trim off, and now let's apply the bias the same way we did before. Now the other side. So our interior will be like this. Now we are going to work on the top. Now we are going to open our zipper a little bit, not too much. And now we are going to match the middle we found before on the middle of the zipper. We are going to put our handle inside. So now we are going to fix our handle with the clip just on one side of the vinyl. I left 1 centimeter from the zipper, and here I will do the same thing. Now I'm going to put our middle into the zipper like this, and this way we make sure everything is aligned. And now we are going to make a suture. Now let's trim off. Now let's burn these parts here. And now let's apply the bias tape and our piece are finished. We are going to make the same thing. We are going to fold this and fold it again. Like this, and now we are going to turn our piece backwards. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry for my voice, but I couldn't let you without a video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and turn the notifications on so you can be notified for the next easy sewing video. See ya!